Tumanggap ng parangal ang Mandaue City Police Office ng Special Award bilang may most number of arrests on illegal drugs sa ginanap na 123rd Police Service Anniversary sa National Headquarters PNP, Camp Brigadier Rafael T. Crame, Quezon City. Patrolwoman Blessel Quispedoche sa ulat.
Ginawa na ng Special Award bilang may most number of arrests on drugs, City Police Office level ang Mandaue City Police Office sa pamumuno ni Police Colonel Julius B. Sagundoy, City Director sa ginanap na 123rd Police Service Anniversary noong ika-8 ng Agosto 2024 sa National Headquarters PNP, Camp Brigadier General Rafael T. Crame, Quezon City.
Special award for most number of arrests on drugs, City Police Office level is awarded to Mandaue City Police Office, and the award will be received by Police Colonel Julius Sagandoy, City Director.
Ang naturang parangal ay nagpapahiwatig ng dedikasyon at pagiging epektibo ng MCPO sa paghuli sa mga individual na sangkot sa kalakalan ng droga. Ang nasabing pagdiriwang ay pinangunahan ni Police General Romel Francisco Marbil, Chief Philippine National Police, na dinaluhan ni President Ferdinand R. Marcos Jr. bilang guest of honor and speaker, at ayon sa kanya,
sa ilalim ng bagong Pilipinas, ang ating mga kapulisan ay maaasahan, malalapitan at mapagkakatiwalaan. Malakas ang kumpiyansa at matatag ang ugnayan sa pagitan ng pulisya at sa sambayanan. At tayong lahat ay nagkakaisa sa ating mithiing makamit ang isang mas mapayapa at maunlad na bayan.
Sa pagkilala bilang unit na may pinakamaraming pag-aresto kaugnay sa droga sa antas ng CPO or City Police Office.
Hey everyone, the Mandaue City Police Office has been recognized as the top city police force in the Philippines for the most number of arrests in illegal drug cases. At the heart of our success was an intensified campaign of anti-drug operations. We conducted more frequent and targeted raids, coordinating closely with intelligence teams to gather information on drug activities and suspected individuals involved in the illegal trade. These operations were characterized by increased surveillance, intelligence gathering, and well-planned arrests that led to the apprehension of numerous drug suspects. During the period from April 1, 2023 to March 31, 2024, the MCPO's timeless efforts resulted in a total of 1,878 arrests related to illegal drugs. This included 110 high-volume individuals, 1,639 street-level individuals, and 129 newly identified drug personalities. Recognizing the crucial role of community engagement, the MCPO also worked extensively with local communities, neighborhood watch groups, and informants, soliciting the support of all stakeholders to always be vigilant of any forms of illegal activities and reporting to the nearest police station for prompt action. By fostering these partnerships, we were able to gather valuable intelligence from the grassroots level, which proved instrumental in identifying and arresting drug suspects. The open lines of communication and information sharing with the public played a vital part in the MCPO's success. Furthermore, the MCPO demonstrated exemplary coordination and collaboration with other law enforcement agencies, particularly the Philippine Drug Enforcement Agency. By sharing information and resources and jointly conducting operations targeting drug networks, we were able to enhance the overall effectiveness of the crackdown on illegal drugs within the city. This comprehensive and multifaceted approach, supported by the hardworking and dedicated men and women of MCPO, as well as the invaluable partnership with the local community, has propelled the Mandaue City Police Office to the top of the ranking for the most number of arrests in illegal drug cases in the Philippines. The City Director of Mandaue City Police Office encourages the team to always strive for the best in their efforts to maintain a safe and secure Mandaue City. This remarkable achievement is a testament to the hard work, dedication, and commitment of every member of MCPO. The City Director extends heartfelt congratulations and commends the exceptional job well done by the entire MCPO team. This hard-earned accomplishment deserves the utmost respect and recognition to their invaluable service to the community. Thank you.
Ito ay nagpapakita ng kahusayan ng Mandaue City Police Office sa kanilang pagsasagawa ng matagumpay na operasyon laban sa droga at positibong epekto sa komunidad. Mula dito sa Central Visayas, ako ang New Police News Network Correspondent, Patrolwoman Blessed Ispidoche, lagad ng batas, tagataguyod ng Balitang Pulis.
Maraming salamat, Patrolwoman Pedoche.